I want to, just reiterate why you guys are here in the first place, because you guys have done well and your school recognized you. And, we want to take it a step further to recognize you even more and give you guys a reward.
My name is Sarai Stiles, and I am a self-published author, and I just wrote a book entitled Mommy, Why Am I Different? It took 4 months to write it, to publish it. The illustrations, we did face some challenges, but everything worked out. Do you have an idea of why you are different?
I am different because I am generous.
Also, I want to share why they're different, or what makes them different, or something they're proud of.
I am proud of my skin color.
This is a rewards program, so her book is one of the rewards that you guys are going to get. Plus, we're also going to be able to give you guys some of what Takia is actually going to introduce to you guys next and in a second.
So my name is Takia. Most of the kids call me Miss T. You can call me Miss T. I am an actor. I've been on TV, commercials, theater, all of that good stuff. And I'm going to be helping you learn some acting skills. All we're going to say is red blood. Let me hear you.
Red blood.
Good. The second part is blue blood.
Red blood.
Red blood. Blue blood. Good. Great job. This is something that you never did, and then you just jump right into it. Okay, so feel proud of yourself.
Let's keep doing what you need to do, and we're gonna keep rewarding you guys for that. Okay, our hard work pays off.